Marketing is not about gimmicks. It's about strategy, understanding, and delivering real value. Ang akala ng maraming small business owners na tulad ko noon, pag maganda at creative ang mga marketing campaign nila, automatic na magiging successful ito. At dahil hindi naman ako creative, I would get someone who is artistic to design my marketing campaigns. Ang gaganda ng mga posters ko, pero bakit hindi bumibili ang mga customers? So when I consulted my marketing mentor, doon ko lang natutunan na mali pala ang paniniwala ko. Even before creating my marketing campaign, even before looking for the artist who would create the posters, what I needed first was past data. Kung wala akong data, suntok sa buwan lang ang mga marketing campaigns ko. After I have the right data, I still need to analyze yung data na yun para malaman ko kung ano ang pwedeng maging effective at kung ano ang magkiklik sa mga customers ko. So from this data, ang next step ko naman ngayon is to sit down with my team. We will have to create a strategy and a plan that's based on this strategy para hindi masayang ang effort at ang budget namin. Kaya mabuti na lang I learned about the wrong mindset that I had. So ngayon, mas balanced na ang approach ko sa marketing. May creativity pero may data-driven decisions din. Strategy and plans should come first. Yan ang tamang mindset when you are business-minded Pinoy.